Typically, people make decisions based on either fear of loss or possibility of gain. Fear comes from the unknown. Many people don't know how to invest in real estate. They can't tell a dead dog loser from the deal of the decade. So the fear comes from losing money. It's natural. I've lost a few dollars myself over the years, but the knowledge I've gained from investing over and over has been priceless. I can now look at a piece of real estate and very quickly analyze it and discard the risky deals and capitalize on the properties that provide the best opportunity for better returns with lower risk. The biggest risk in investing? Not investing at all, because you never learn how. In these two short classes, I'll share with you what I've learned after 30 years and hundreds of transactions. The first one, what is that property really worth, will show you how to value property, and the second class will show you how to protect and measure ROI and manage your risk. These are Trek approved and available to you, whether you're a licensed realtor seeking CE credit or someone who just wants to be a better investor. My name is Wayne Morgan. I'm an author, investor, developer, and co-owner of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. This is the learn to use it part. I'll be your instructor for these two live Zoom classes. Thank you, and I'll see you in class.